If you found this video, consider yourself lucky. Because if you're looking to work from home, I have 3 sites that will pay when you are broke. And you don't need any special skills, any special equipment. You're basically getting paid to be yourself. And let me tell you, out of these websites, one is paying their users up to $150 an hour to talk. So make sure you watch this video all the way through because I'm breaking down how I've used these websites over the years to get money through PayPal, bank deposit, and even gift cards. Oh, I know y'all love the gift cards over here. So hit that algorithm in the face. Let YouTube know that you like money making content. The way that you do that is by hitting the thumbs up button. And if you are on mobile, please hype this video up because we're trying to get the content out there so that I can continue to keep bringing you the free content, okay? But now that we got that out of the way, let's get into these sites that will pay you when you're broke. Let's go. Okay, let's jump right into this. This first website is called User Interviews. This website basically pays you to talk, and you can earn up to $150 per hour. Now, the way that it works is this is a research study website. So companies will pay to get feedback on their products and their services, and they hire regular consumers to give that feedback. So basically you get on Zoom or some other video and you can give your feedback on this product or service. A lot of times the researcher will be asking you questions about maybe a website or products that you use. And not all research projects are on video. Sometimes they'll ask you to do an online survey. And I don't mean those little surveys that pay you $1 after you did 30 minutes worth of work. No, if you get picked for a research project, you know how much money you're going to get paid. And when you break it down, typically it's between $50 and $150 for 1 hour of your time. And so you have a better idea of the pay. Let me explain something. When you do the research projects on video, those are the ones that normally will pay you more. So you can expect to get between $50 and $150. But if it's going to be survey based, where you're just answering questions online, you can expect to earn between $10 and $25 for each survey. And I know y'all want to know how to get paid, so let's discuss. User Interviews typically pays either in gift cards, so like Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, stuff like that. I told y'all I don't prefer the gift cards. I want my money. So PayPal is also an option as well. And I know many of you have never done a research project before, so let me give you a tip from somebody that's been doing this for over 10 years, okay? On all of these research project platforms, make sure you complete your profile completely. Don't be lazy and just put your name and basic information. If they're asking you detailed questions such as what you like to do or your level of education, any of that stuff, make sure you fill all of that out because the more detailed your profile, the better they can match you with companies. And since we're likely all adults here, I think it's common sense to let you know that just because you apply for a research project does not mean that you're going to get it. Just like when you go to a job interview doesn't mean that you're going to get the job, okay? So apply to as many research projects as possible to give yourself the best chance of getting picked for one, okay? But once you do start getting picked, you'll notice that you start getting picked more and more. At least that was my experience. So I'm just telling y'all from my experience. If you are interested in user interviews, you can sign up for free. Just click sign up to participate on this page, and then you can just sign up using your email address or a social platform like LinkedIn or Facebook. But let's move on to the next site that will pay you when you're broke, and that is called Lightster. Lightster typically pays their users about $1 per minute to chat with brands about their products. Let me say that again, $1 per minute. That averages out to about $60 per hour. That's more than what most people earn in an hour. So basically these are also research projects, and Lightster has a few different options to get paid, including an Amazon gift card, or if you prefer, bank transfer, which is my preferred payment, or they will send cash through a platform called Wise or PayPal. And if you happen to be in Canada, they have something called e-transfer. Now, on that note about an option outside of the United States, as I have to say in every video, because y'all don't listen, Linda. You guys, Linda. As I have to state in every single video, apparently, I am here in the United States. So I'm giving my perspective of what I'm able to access here. If you happen to be outside the United States, you have to do your own research because there are almost 200 countries in this world, and y'all don't pay me enough to go searching to find out if this works in your country, okay? So I'm sharing my perspective. You got to do your own research. This channel is here to empower you. So I'm giving you the ingredients to the cake. It's up to you to bake the cake, okay? So On that note, you guys might really like Lightster, not just because they pay $1 per minute, but also there are a lot of app-based options on here. So I know the majority of you are on your cell phone. So if you want to make some money on your phone, you know, this is a really good option because a lot of the projects that they give will allow you to do them right there on your phone. When you're ready to sign up for Lightster, just click sign up for free, and then you can log in with your email address or social media platforms. Moving on to the third site that pays when you are broke, User Testing. This is one of my favorite platforms for getting paid from home to do simple tasks. On User Testing, you test websites and apps, you record your screen, and you talk through your experience. Sometimes they'll ask you to turn your camera on, sometimes they won't. And on User Testing, it's usually $10 for each project that you do, and they take between like 10 to 15 minutes usually. So you can bang out 4 of them and earn $40 an hour. That is good pay. I've used User Testing through their website, but I also have the app. So I've done that too. And I can tell you, normally the projects on the app will pay less. So there are a lot of them that are like $4, but they're still quick. And just like with all of these types of platforms, you will have to qualify for a project before you get one. So expect to answer some questions that will tell the company if you're a fit for that particular project. If you don't get it, oh well, move on. There are plenty available. It is based on your experience. So for example, I'm a business owner, so I'm going to qualify for projects that need business owners to give feedback on like payment platforms and stuff like that. But there are the basic ones that I've done even from the door for large companies such as Best Buy. So large corporations actually use User Testing and the other platforms that I mentioned in this video. These are all legit. Like I said, I'm a member of them. To sign up for User Testing, make sure you're in that screen, get paid to test, and then you'll be able to sign up for free. Click apply now, and you can put your email in. The link is down below. Now I'm going to be real with y'all. I actually have been using another research project app for years and have earned thousands of dollars on this platform. $5,116 to be exact. That is actually in my members only. Members, you know where to find it, okay? So if you're interested in that, join my membership, okay? But I want to hear from you. Are you somebody that has done research projects in the past? Did you know about these platforms that I named in this video? Which of these seems like the most interesting out of all the 3 that I dropped? Let's discuss it in the comments. But if you did find this video helpful at all, please let me and the YouTube algorithm know that by hitting the thumbs up button. And also please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. And please don't forget to hit that hype button because it really does give the channel a boost. And I'm gonna tell you, if I'm doing these videos and it's not getting boosted and it's not getting views, I'm not revisiting that subject. So help me help you. Now, if you like the options in this video, oh, I know you are gonna like the options in this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around